Let's do an isolated chrome and aura tutorial and how to paint a star. Beginner friendly, of course. So this is a lot easier to do when you're putting pigments on top of a light background. If you wanted the background to be like a dark color, I would recommend using potted gels for the aura and not eyeshadow. Whatever background you painted, you want to cure this for a full minute. I'm using this eyeshadow palette for the aura because it has every color you could imagine. Like, I'm going to keep the inhibition layer, which is the sticky layer of the polish, on this because it's what's going to help the eyeshadow stick. And using whatever eyeshadow you want to do, I'm creating this aura effect. I forgot that when you're doing aura, try and use the lightest colors first. I didn't do that, so I'm going to wipe this off and then go in with my lighter color on top of it. You can use a matte top coat if you want, but I don't really think it's that necessary. I am using an eyeshadow brush, but I do not put this on my face at all. So if you are gonna do this, definitely dedicate a brush specifically to doing nail art. For isolated chrome, I use this Gowie matte top coat. This is the only top coat that works for me. As you can see, the aura melts perfectly together using that eyeshadow. This matte top coat is going to protect this design and also make the chrome only stick to the nail art. I'm going to cure this for a full minute. Everything on here is fully cured, so it looks dirty, but I already wiped everything off. For the nail art, I'm going to mix together a no wipe top coat and a little bit of black so I can see my design and so the chrome has something in the background that'll shine through. I'm going to show you guys how to do a star super quick. I draw the point first, so kind of like an A. Then I do the middle section halfway down, connect those two lines. This is just a brief outline as well. I'm going to clean this up in a second, but that's the outline that I'm doing. Now is where I fill in the outline, making sure not to get outside of what I just did. Now is where I'm going to sharpen it up because you can see it looks a little dull. So starting from the top, making it that point. Same thing on the other side. It's pretty easy when you get the hang of it. I like my stars to be pretty wide and elongated. So that is how I do my star. Cure this for only 25 to 30 seconds. Just gonna take a bit of chrome on my finger to apply it, and it should only stick to the design, and I can already tell it looks super mirror-like, and that's exactly what you want. And then dust it all away. I know y'all were scared for a second, huh? Just because like I rubbed it in with my finger, so I spread it everywhere, but this is the exact finish you want. It's reflective and not glittery. I'm gonna put some base coat on a brush to go over the design because I've realized that if I just top coat right after, it's gonna like smear and be all glittery on my like a whole nail, and I don't like that. So just use some base coat on the chrome to seal it in first, and then do top coat over the whole thing. So I cured it with the base coat for about 30 seconds, and now I can go in with my actual top coat, and none of it will smear onto the aura design. This gives me summer vibes with the color. Stars are one of my favorite nail designs to do, so I hope this helped you in any way with creating stars on your nails. This is the finished Aura Chrome Isolation nail design. I hope you guys found this helpful, and please let me know down below if there's any other simple nail design or complicated nail design that you guys want to see me break down into simpler steps.